Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, power windows, fog lights, trip computer, power door locks, child safety locks, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.